In today's video, I will show you how to turn on recently active on Tinder Android. Tinder added this feature to help daters quickly identify who is actually using the app rather than wasting swipes on dead or abandoned accounts. Letting others see your status can significantly boost your engagement as it shows people you are responsive and ready to connect. To enable this, open the Tinder app on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap the settings or gear icon at the top right. From there, scroll down the active status section, then click on settings below it. Finally, toggle on show recently active status, and you will notice the toggle should light up pink. When enabled, this feature lets other users see if you have been active on the app within the last 24 hours. And that's it. That's how you turn on recently active on Tinder Android.